About a week before my family's dog died, a cardinal started visiting my mom in the backyard. She sent me a lot of pictures of him. No, seriously, like a lot of pictures. I knew she was pretty devastated when our dog finally did pass, and it made me smile to know she had a sweet little cardinal to hang out with.
What's up, friend?
Mom, you're amazing. I'm obsessed with you.
You never know about life.
The bird is just hanging out with her, unfazed by all these large movements. Oh, but he's on the little box over there. Oh my God, she's talking to him. Cut it off, she says. They say that cardinals represent a visitor from the afterlife. So thank you to this little cardinal for giving my mom some light in a really dark time. It's amazing. Hey Jack, did you know you're really cute? You're really, really the cutest dog ever.
I love you, Jack.
And give him a little kiss.